Hi there and hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make screen like that. So first of all we need change the color of my screen. We must add the container, continue, container and down, click on its fill and we take white color. Yes, like that. That's all. And we need a bar. First of all, we have tree like that, scaffold and up bar or bottom bar or drawer or container. We click on scaffold and thus choice. Click on scaffold and show bar on. So you can see up bar on up on my screen. Scaffold and up bar and add up bar widgets. We need container to change my color. So click on container and go to fill and we choose white color. Like that. So you can see the up bar is smaller. Go to high and you can write 32. No, it's bad. 80. It's good. So we add new objects. We need a row and we need icon and image. Icon, we can choose what you need in this. We need like that, and image. So to see your image you must write in pixels what you need. Now it's bigger, 34 pixel and 34, no, 43 and 43. It's smaller. 30. Yes, it's good. We need bigger than mine. 50 pixel. So it's good. So we need these objects in this place and image to go there, like messenger application. Go to row and starts center and space between them. Yes, it's like photo profile. And we need padding 20. No, it's bad. 10. It's good. Padding, it's something to move, to remove your objects in what direction you need. Icon it's smaller. 40. Yes, it's good. 40. So, and go to my center of my screen, scaffold and container. Add the new column and rows. So we need text and we need row. In this row we need 3 texts. So my text color is white. We need a black color to see it. And you can write products. Size 30, like that, and medium. Center, no, start and center, like that. In my text you can write your products. First of all, we need change color to black. You can font this style. In next video we can explain about it. And the next objects, phone, laptop, books. Go to row, in this icon we can see it is first and second and third. Phone, laptop, books. We can change books, laptop, phone, laptop. So we need to click a row, on the row, and start and space between them. Sorry, go to column and center and stretch like that. It's good. And go to this, and we need add padding box. We need go to the right side, 100. Oh, it's good. 110, 118, 13. It's good like that. Perfect. And go on laptop, first, second. We need add a container to change the color of the text. Sorry, container. Which we choose the pink color. Yeah, it's good. And we need 30 is smaller, so 60 is good, so 100. Yes, 100, it's good. Go to high, 20, no, 40, 35, no, 10, 19, 20. Yes, and go to text, click on this item. No, we need smaller. Yes, it's good than before. And now we add a new objects. in this. We add container and t lottie. Lottie it's image png, it's move image. Go to container, change the color of container to white color. Yes, like that. And use appending between them. Okay. We need the top 5. Yes, it's good like that. 10. Yes, it's good. So go to this website Lottie Files and search what you need. We need laptop. So that's all. We have the image, its move and phone, books, products, icon to go parameters and photo profile. This our screen, first our screen. So that's all. Thank you for attention and please subscribe the channel to show others video in next time. So goodbye.